Okay, next I'm going to give you an idea about the cabling I was talking about before. Will remind you, I said it wasn't pretty, so please bear with me. But anyway, so as you can see, I've got the one cable running there from the back of the server, and then if you can see down there, that's my router. Now, eventually, I am planning on buying a switch. I'm probably going to buy, say, maybe an 8-port switch. That currently has about 4, but I thought, 8, just in case I need to add any more, as it comes out. As I need them, so further expandability, I guess you could call it. So, I've got the majority of the cable, because I did buy 20 meter, I found out afterwards I didn't really need that much, but it's there if I do. So, I've tucked the majority of it behind the desk so it's underneath and out of the way out of the desk. So as you can see, they're sort of down here. This is the home office, which is sort of close. It's probably the most central part of the house, so it's probably best why everything's in here. So as you can see, I've got 2 going off. I've got one going off to the left, which goes to the bedrooms, because in the bedrooms we have HTPC or Media Center PCs, both running XBMC, which is a fantastic open source Media Center software. One is running a version of XBMC called OpenELEC, which is a very minimal Linux based one. The reason for that is it acts more like an appliance. You basically turn it on and within a couple of seconds XBMC is up and running. So, excuse me. That's good for the people in the house who are a little bit less technical than I am. So that's what they have. Basically that way I don't have to show them what to do. They can basically turn it on and be up and going. So the one in my room is just running Windows 8 just like the other computers here, because I want to be able to browse the internet and check emails, that sort of stuff from my room as well. So with the other one, you basically got XBMC and that's it. So that's more of a turn on and watch type of thing versus the other one. So, alright, so first off, we'll take the right cable and we'll follow along here. As you can see, it is a bit messy at the moment. I do plan to tidy it up, but I've just put it down, so I haven't had a chance to tape all of it. It's sort of just going along the kitchen bench there, past all the soft drinks. As you can see here, this is an open doorway. This is an open way where people have to walk through. I found people constantly tripping on the cable, so I've got some special grippy tape. That's not electrical tape, if you're wondering. So if I can get in here. It's like a sandpapery type of texture, and it's really sticky on the bottom, so it holds the cable down. So I just did that over that part so people don't trip on it. So yeah. So we follow into the lounge room. As you can see, the cable runs along. I thought I'd show you my cool chairs. As you can see, they're pretty nice for watching a movie on, as you can imagine. But yeah. So we'll go along. There's my Xbox controller, of course. I'm a bit of a mess today. So it follows right along, pretty much around the wall, behind there. And then up here, there's my nice, I don't know, I have to go right back because it's that big. It's a 60 inch LED 3D TV by Samsung. So it's quite nice. Here's my Xbox and PlayStation. I currently just have them connected with the Wi-Fi because I don't have any more ports, as I showed you before, to plug in them to do gaming and whatnot and updates. So then this comes down here to this Media PC. Now this one is running that OpenELEC that I mentioned. So basically I did it so anyone who wants to come watch a movie, they can just turn it on and off they go. Plus that way I don't have to have a keyboard and mouse in the front here to, you know, open up XBMC or whatever they have to do. So yeah. So then we'll go back out a bit. And then across here, back here we're going. Okay, so then there's the other cable. So this one goes behind these bookshelves. Now these bookshelves are actually, the plan for them is to eventually hold my home network setup. So I plan to, when I rebuild my server, I plan to put my server, put a network switch, put my modem and everything in there. I've actually, at the moment they're just storing a bunch of crap really, but they'll sort of have bits and pieces in there. There's different shelves I've got here, I haven't put them in yet. I've just put the thing together. But as you'll see, I don't know if you can see down here, you'll see there's a fan. That's actually a computer fan that I'm going to be having set up as a cool air intake. So being a closed cabinet, the cool air can be sucked in from the bottom, and as people know, heat rises, so there'll be another one that I'll be putting at the top to draw the hot air outwards. So I actually bought a couple of them as a set. So there's two of them, and then there's a smaller one there. They're all sort of filled with bits and pieces for now, but that's because I'm not ready to use them, so might as well hide some stuff in there for the time being. But yeah, so that's my hopeful, you know, get everything out of that room, I guess. So then as you can see here again, another path where people have to walk. I've put some more of that tape down. So as you can see, we'll follow it along here into the bedroom. And then we've got, this is not my room, but yeah. So we've got a 42-inch LCD, plasma I should say, TV there. And then you'll see across the bed there, you'll see a media player, or media center, HTPC, whatever you want to call it. And that's running OpenELEC. So yeah, I've got two of them. It's just an old HP DC 7800. Got it off eBay for about $100. Put a $30 video card in it, and yeah, good to go. So yeah, well that's pretty much my my home theater setup. I'm hoping that you enjoyed it, or have any. If you have any comments, please put them in there. Really like to, if you want to make a video of your own, I'd really like to see them. I'm always interested, as I said. So, yeah. I hope you enjoy, and thanks a lot. Bye.